In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Meta AI not showing or not working on WhatsApp. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up is that you want to head over to Play Store or the App Store and then search for WhatsApp. And as you can see, mine says update, and in this case, you might want to update your WhatsApp and this might fix the problem. Or if it says open, then I'm going to show you what to do. But in this case, mine says update, but my Meta AI is working. But in your case, if it's not working and it shows you the option to update your WhatsApp, you might want to update your WhatsApp and this might fix your problem. On the other hand, if let's say your WhatsApp says rather or gives the option to open and not update, here's what you want to do. First up, you want to go over to the WhatsApp application, but don't click on it. If you're using iPhone, what you want to do is that you want to clear your cache and your data and then reinstall WhatsApp, and this might work. In this case, if you're using an Android phone, what you need to do is that you want to long press on the WhatsApp icon or the WhatsApp app and then click on this info option right over here. Once you do that, what you want to do now is that you want to go over to the storage option and then clear the data and then clear the cache too and then reinstall WhatsApp, and this might eventually work. In the other option or the other reason, if you try this and it doesn't work, the other reason why WhatsApp Meta AI will not be working or not showing is because maybe the feature hasn't reached to your country yet, and this is because some countries get WhatsApp updates or WhatsApp features first before other countries, and other countries get them weeks or months later from the date other countries have got them. So you just have to be patient and wait. Maybe WhatsApp hasn't brought the feature to your country, but in this case, those are the three reasons and of why WhatsApp or Meta AI is not working, and I've showed you two ways you can easily fix this problem. If they don't work, you just have to wait a bit more. Maybe WhatsApp hasn't brought the feature to your country, but if it has already brought the feature to your country and Meta AI is not working, you might want to try those two methods I showed you. The first one is to update your WhatsApp if it's not updated. The second one is to delete the data and cache and then try reinstalling WhatsApp again. So if these methods work, leave a comment on what you think, if they worked or if they didn't. So in that case, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.